Maybe you want to step into the kitchen with the kids to make something special. Milk Means More has a great idea that's simple and easy for everyone.
Hi, thanks Miranda. I'm here at home in my kitchen with my 10-year-old daughter, Clara. And today we're going to make a recipe for Mother's Day that's easy for kids to help with, that's nutritious, that's calcium and other vitamins and minerals from the dairy, and delicious. Mom will love it. It's called Breakfast Banana Splits. And you ready to start? All right, let's go. First we start with the banana. Clara is going to peel that for me. Just slice it in half. With this recipe, it's really easy just to use a butter knife. So she's going to do that. While she does that, I'm going to make the yogurt topping. And this banana split does not have ice cream. It has a yogurt topping. That's made with 2 tablespoons of non-fat Greek yogurt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 tablespoon of skim milk, and 2 tablespoons of oats. And I had old-fashioned oats on hand, so that's what I'm going to use. But if you have quick-cooking oats, whatever you have on hand is fine. So we'll mix that up together. And the oats just add a little bit of heartiness, give it a little bit of taste and crunch that makes it really delicious. So stir that together. So Clara's going to add that as the next layer and just dollop it on the banana. While she's doing that, I'm going to make the peanut butter and chocolate topping. So that takes 1 tablespoon of peanut butter that's melted, and I just melted it in the microwave for about 40 seconds. Makes it a little bit runny and easier to work with. Add that. And then to that, just add 2 teaspoons cocoa powder, and 2 tablespoons of skim milk. And you want it so the powder is all mixed in. Still a little bit runny, so it's easier to drizzle. And I'm going to let Clara just drizzle that as much as you can on top. And then you want to add the toppings. And this is where you can really customize it for Mom and what Mom likes. The recipe calls for 1 to 2 chopped strawberries. So if Mom doesn't like strawberries, or if they don't look very good in the store, you can use whatever she likes. We've got raspberries and blueberries here as well, but let's do the strawberries. Yum. And then it calls for chopped nuts as well. And we had peanuts on hand. I like peanuts, but you could use anything like pecans or hazelnuts, pistachios, whatever you think Mom would like. And then you can use chocolate. Of course, what Mom doesn't love chocolate. So you can use either shaved chocolate from a milk chocolate, a dark chocolate, semi-sweet chocolate bar. We had mini chocolate chips here at home, so we're going to use that. Just sprinkle with that. Oh, it's delicious. You're going to make this for me on Mother's Day, right?
Yeah.
Absolutely. So there we go. We have our breakfast banana split that Mom will just love. Easy for the kids to make her feel special that she's getting delicious breakfast from the kids. I like to serve it with a glass of milk, of course. And we're ready to go. Thanks, Claire. I can't wait. Thank you.